Hi friends, welcome to my channel Olympiad Math. Today we are solving an interesting exponential equation. The given equation may be written as x cubed minus x squared equals 18. See, one solution we can easily find out just by looking at the equation through guesswork. That's just x equals 3. See, 3 cubed minus 3 squared equals 27 minus 9, and that's equal to 18. As you can see, this is a cubic or a third degree equation, which implies what? This equation has at most 3 solutions. What we are trying to do in this video is finding the other 2 solutions. There are totally 3 solutions. One solution is this. We are going to find out the other 2 solutions. So let me rewrite the equation like this. Take 18 to the left side, you get this. And this implies x cubed minus x squared. This 18 we will write like this. 3 cubed minus 3 squared. See, this we are writing using the solution we got by guesswork, nothing else. And that's equal to 0. Generally in any cubic or higher degree equations, the first 1 or 2 solutions you get by guesswork. The rest of the solutions you will do based on a few other steps, which you will get to see as I proceed further. Now x cubed, let's combine with 3 cubed. Then there is this minus x squared. Let me combine that with 3 squared. So let me put a bracket here, and this minus we will keep outside. So minus x squared, then there is a minus. It will become actually plus 3 squared, but because of this minus, it will be minus 3 squared. This is what you get by rearranging the terms on the left side. Now we will use some simple algebraic identities. These are the identities to be used. A cubed minus b cubed equals a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. Then there is another identity which you are all pretty familiar with. A square minus b square equals a minus b multiplied by a plus b. See, this identity we use for expanding this term, and this one we will use for this term. So what do you get? X minus 3. This corresponds to a minus b. Here x, as you can see, is a and b is 3. So you get x minus 3 multiplied by the second term, which is a square. In this case, it will be x squared plus product of these two, 3x plus 3 squared minus, then let me expand x squared minus 3 squared, which will be x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 3. Okay, then there is 0. The whole thing equal to 0. That's the right side. This is only the left side. Now let me simplify further. See, if you look at there are 2 terms on the left side. Here you can see x minus 3, and here also you can see x minus 3. That means x minus 3 is common. So let me factor it out. So you will have x minus 3. Inside the bracket you have x squared plus 3x plus 3 squared, which is 9. Then here you can see x plus 3 left over. So that will come here. And there is this minus sign. So when you write x plus 3, both will get minus sign. So you will have minus x minus 3, and the right side is 0. We will simplify this again. X minus 3, x squared, 3x minus x, that is plus 2x, 9 minus 3, that's plus 6, equals 0. Now you can see 2 terms with their product being 0. This implies either the first one equal to 0 or the second one, which is x squared plus 2x plus 6 equals 0. See, x minus 3 equal to 0, this implies what? That means x equals 3. And this is the first solution we had got by guessing. Now we will solve this quadratic equation, x squared plus 2x plus 6 equals 0, to get the other 2 solutions. Okay. Let me use the formula method to solve this quadratic equation. See, if you have a quadratic equation like this is the general form of a quadratic equation, and the roots are given by x equals minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, where a, b, c are the coefficients of this general quadratic equation. Let's compare this general quadratic equation with the equation we have. On comparison, you can see a is the coefficient of x square, which is 1. b is the coefficient of x term, that is 2, and c is the constant term, which is 6. So making use of this formula, the solutions are minus b, which is minus 2 plus or minus square root of b square, which is 2 square, minus 4ac, that is 6, divided by 2 multiplied by 1. This is minus 2 plus or minus 2 square 4. This is 4 multiplied by 6, 24. So minus 24 divided by 2. Now this term, on further simplification, you have minus 2 plus or minus 4 minus 24 is minus 20 divided by 2. This is minus 2 plus or minus 1, 4, 5 divided by 2, minus 2. You distribute the root sign, root minus 1, root 4, root 5 divided by 2. This equals, see, square root of minus 1, we generally represent by I. This is an imaginary number. Okay, so you will have minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4, as you know, is 2. So you have I multiplied by 2, square root of 5, I'm writing it as it is. The whole thing divided by 2. That will be equal to, see, 2 will divide these two terms and these 2 will cancel out. And you will have 1 plus or minus root 5i. This 2 is gone. So these are the other two roots. You can write it separately like this. Root 5i minus 1, 1 root, minus root 5 using the minus sign, I minus 1. This is the other root. These are the two other roots of. If there is any point you are not so clear about, raise it in the comment section. And also let me know whatever observations you are making about this video through your comments. If you liked what you saw in the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and feel free to share it with others. If you would like to get posted of my latest videos, please press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.